What can $2 get you in Sapa? Check it out. Well guys, I just can't stop recording. So right now I am in one of the remote villages in Sapa, and I'm about to challenge myself to get like a meal with $2 in the middle of nowhere. I'm on my way to get to the local affordable restaurant for all local people here. So I'm gonna have a meal over there, and let's see what can $2 get me. So before getting there, I'd like to show you a little bit about the view in this village. It is a rice field terraces, and it's so beautiful. Every day I take the tourists who want to explore Sapa culture and things like that over here. So you see the households and people doing cultivation over there. It is beautiful. And I am not far away from the local restaurant that I mentioned earlier. So this village is about 12 kilometers away from Sapa, and you have to get a Google map to get here because you easily to get lost. My GoPro is so clever. Whenever I say STOP, and then the camera just automatically stops. Okay, but this one is so beautiful. Check this out. Okay, don't forget the main point of the video is about to have a decent milk. To have a decent meal in a local village in Sapa. Okay, the restaurant is on the way. Okay, this is the one. Ooh, friendly dog. Em ơi, cho anh một suất nhá. Dạ? Cho anh một suất ăn nhá.
Anh một khách à?
Ừ. Đây là món nem à?
Đúng rồi.
Ok, anh ăn cơm bình thường nha. Anh thôi chứ không phải khách. Okay, the restaurant is here. It's quite distant. It's a proper restaurant, guys. Love this table. Gonna sit here. All right, can you believe that this one is only $2 and you're gonna have some let me see, what do I have? All right, so because I am a local guide, maybe their meal is a little bit bigger. No, I'm just kidding. Every single tourist who cross by here gonna have this big. Okay, so we have the rice in the middle of and we also have this one is stir-fried cabbage with tomato, and what is it? This is stir-fried rice. It's vegetable stir-fried rice, and over here stir-fried chicken. Yep, and this is eggs. All right, let me have a taste. Ooh, okay, check this out. This is really delicious. Okay, guys, this one is not only open for Vietnamese or for the local people, but it's also for tourists. I've seen a lot of tourists over here, and they are stopping here for lunch, and they're sitting out there with a great view. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that the local people are gonna have a different kind of meal, and it's absolutely bigger and cheaper as well. Okay, this one is for tourists. Okay guys, so what do you think about the $2 meal? So leave drop a comments in it. And if you're curious about the tour or something like that around Sapa, don't hesitate to drop a comment. And I definitely will answer all the questions. I'll reply the message as soon as possible. And if you have any idea, okay, please drop a comment as well. So the food was great, and I ended up paying about 2.5 US dollars as the price of the gasoline and things like that is increasing, because the owner of the restaurant, they have to go to Sapa Center and buy the food, and they go there by motorbike because this village is located about 12 kilometers away from Sapa town, as I mentioned earlier. That's the reason why the price of the food also increased a little. However, make it $3. It was great. Yeah, the price is really fine, really fine. Okay, so if you guys are traveling to Sapa, you can, you know, try some local food in a local restaurant like that, or street food in Sapa town. But in Sapa town, you gotta check the price before you order something. Yeah, make a settle and things like that. Ask about the price before you buy something. Okay, and if you find this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to your channel and follow for more the videos in the future. And you can watch more videos over here. It is the same content over here. I'm not sure it's here, over here. See you later.